classification society are fundamental to the maritime industry, providing the necessary oversight and certification that ensures the vessels are designed, constructed, and operated in compliance with the strict international standard. The rule is not limited to inspection. It extends into the proactively shaping safer maritime practices and technologies. As we delve deeper into their function, we will explore how they manage certification, structure, duties, and their overall contribution to the maritime safety. The function of clarification society are multifaceted, encompassing critical rules in both certification process and structural obligations. Their work ensures that all vessels comply with the established maritime safety standard, ultimately enhancing the integrity of the entire maritime sector.
The pathway to certification is not merely procedural, but rather an extensive evaluation process that demands rigorous adherence to safety standards. Inspections and audits are paramount, forming the backbone of the certification process and ensuring that only vessels meeting these detailed specifications are allowed to operate. The statutory duties assigned to classification societies position them as official agent of flag states, empowering them to oversee compliance with critical safety regulations as they perform surveys and issue safety certificates in accordance with SOLAS and MARPOL. They play an integral role in upholding international maritime governance.
The development of class rules by classification societies is a critical aspect of ensuring that vessels are constructed and operated with the highest level of safety and environmental integrity. These rules draw upon deep maritime knowledge and experience, paving the way for continuous improvement and adaptation to new challenges the industry faces. Innovation and research are fundamental to the mission of classification societies as they strive not only to maintain status quo but to pave new paths in maritime safety and environmental stewardship by embracing new technologies and fostering an environment conducive to research. They can respond effectively to the evolving maritime landscape.
The role of classification societies in maritime safety cannot be overstated. They are central to ensuring that vessels not only meet compliance standards but are also fit for operation at sea. By upholding regulatory oversight and validating seaworthiness, they protect the marine environment and human lives alike. The real-world impact of classification societies can be evidenced through various case studies that highlight significant improvements in safety and environmental performance across the maritime industry. These examples serve as testament to how effective compliance and regulatory oversight can lead to safer seas and a healthier marine ecosystem.
The maritime industry is not static. Thus, classification society face numerous challenges as regulatory landscape evolve and technological advancement bring new demands. Addressing these pressures requires agility and foresight, ensuring that they can maintain standards of excellence amidst rapid changes. As we look to the future, classification societies must embrace emerging technologies and addressing growing regulatory demands while maintaining a strong commitment to sustainability. This strategic direction will ensure they remain relevant and effective in safeguarding maritime safety and environmental integrity.
In summary, clarification societies serve as a irreplaceable role in the maritime sector. underscoring commitments to safety, compliance, and environmental protection. Their proactive environment not only ensure the operational integrity but also propels the industry into the more suitable, sustainable future.